Let's learn all about picot foot and narrow hammer foot, the difference between them, how to use them, different stitches that can be used, and finally a bit of experiment with the foot. To know all about this, watch the video till the end. Before we start, our channel is all about learning fashion design. We make videos related to drafting, sewing, embroidery, illustration, design concept, and lot more. If you wish to learn from these topics, do subscribe our channel. Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. Let's talk all about the picot and narrow hammer foot. For me, they are the best, truly a lifesaver. They are basically used when we have to make a very narrow rolled hem. They can be done in a straight stitch or a zigzag stitch. These foots come in various sizes like 2mm, 4mm and 6mm. For size that is 6mm, they are used for medium to medium heavyweight fabrics like Duchess satin, taffeta, etc. For the size 2mm, they are used for lightweight fabrics and best for curved hems. Fabrics like organza, georgette, chiffon, etc. Now let's see the foot up close. The foot is a snap-on and it gets attached to the machine here. It has a toe that guides the fabric's outer edge. The actual important part is this here. It curls or rolls the fabric edge. There is a slight difference between a picot and a narrow hammer foot. When you look at the foot's base, hammer foot will have a flat groove and it's ideal for creating a flat edge. Whereas a picot foot will have a groove, kind of a cylinder shape, which helps the rolled fabric to move beneath the foot. The effect of picot foot is it will have a rounded edge. Things to keep in mind before starting. If the hem shape is not proper, the roll of fabric won't come neat. So always check if the hem are properly cut, whether it's straight or curved hem. Next, always cut off any extra threads on the hem, making the hem neat. Let's learn how to install the foot. Always switch off your machine first. Move the needle to its higher upper position. Lift the presser foot up. Push the lever at the back of foot to remove your current foot. Place the narrow hammer foot and put the presser foot shank down. And the foot snaps on the shank. And here we are ready. I'm using a contrasting thread for better understanding. Let's use a straight stitch here. Place the edge of the fabric and make few stitches. Pull the fabric out along with the thread. Now place the thread on the roll edge part. And pull the thread from back, feeding the fabric into the rolled part. Can you notice how the fabric is folding itself here? That's it. Keep pulling the thread until few stitches. Turn the fabric slightly with your fingers. And that's how simple it is. Let's try the picot foot. For a curved hem with a zigzag stitch. Same way as we did before, the only thing is you need to fold the fabric at short distance. Notice how I am only rolling about 1 inch of hem at a time. These foots can be used with different decorative stitches also. To give a scallop edge, I am using a blind stitch here. In the last, let's see if we can use this picot foot for other purposes. I am using a crochet thread here and using a zigzag stitch. It is giving a beautiful texture to the fabric. Easy turns. I think I will use this for creating any abstract design. The next here I'm using a wool yarn with a decorative stitch. It is actually looking pretty. Maybe at the neckline I can use this. I wanted to explore more, so here I am using 2 wool yarns again with a decorative stitch. It's nice. Maybe I would go with different colors, but I'm liking it. Now here 4 yarns, trying to twist them just to see how it would turn out. It's fine. Looks like veins to me. That's it from me today. Thank you everyone for watching. Any doubts or anything you wish to learn, let us know through email, comments or message. Details are provided in the description box. If you like our video, do give us a thumbs up, share among your friends and do subscribe our channel. Bye.